Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. In this video, we are going to learn how we can redeem our MLSA swag from Microsoft. If you are a Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador and receive this kind of email, so this means you are eligible to redeem your Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador swag kit. There are also mentioned some of the details that how you can redeem your swags from Microsoft Store. First of all, we need to click on this link. This will redirect us to a Microsoft Store. From here, click on sign in button and create your account. Right here, click on this and mention your detail right here. I'm going to use the same details as I mentioned on the Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador profile. So I copied from here and pasted right here. We also need to provide our details for this website. So I mention my name and password right here. After that, click on this button and this will create our account on Microsoft Store. Now write in the search box ambassador. Just write ambassador and it will search. Wait guys, it will search for us and here comes our uh, t-shirts for beta MLSA and gold MLSA. As I'm beta MLSA, so I will click on this. Here you can select your choice and also size of the t-shirt. So select one of them and click on add to cart button. After that, pop-up appear that your item is successfully added to the cart. Now we need to visit the cart. And right here you can see your MLSA t-shirt and also MLSA swag kit. So swag kit is free and t-shirt for $10. So for the promotion code you need to visit email again and uh, copy the voucher code. After that, paste it right here in the promotional promo code and click on apply. So our promotion is successfully applied and the price is decreased from $10 to $0. It means it's free of cost for us. Click on checkout button now, and after that confirm your shipping address and name. You can also add your new shipping address from here. So I'm using my previous shipping address. Click on this and on the very next page click again on next, and you can see right here pops up appear with an error. They said your account information, please check your account information and stuff like that. So don't worry, it will resolve in a few hours. So we will wait for some hours and then we will click on this again. After waiting for 8 to 9 hours, I clicked again on this button and this works. Now I can check my details right here again, and from here you can also share your message, and in the last click on place order button. After that you will receive an order number and you can track your order also from this website. Click on order history and you can also check your order history and tracking. Thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned for more informational videos.